Hi guys, it's Tony again. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing fine as always, alright? So in this video, I'm going to talk about the affiliate marketing industry as a big picture so that some of you who are completely beginners to this industry can get the understanding in general about what it is and that you can decide for yourself how you want to go about it. And I think that affiliate marketing is the simplest form of online business. In my opinion, and I think that anyone who have the mind put into it can be successful in the end. Alright, so for those of you who are new to my channel, please like and also subscribe to my channel so that you can keep in touch with me and you don't miss any good videos like this in the future at all. So without further ado, let's jump into it. Alright guys, welcome back to our presentation here. So I have named the presentation topic here as affiliate marketing in a nutshell. So I think it's a pretty cool name, and also it's going to be good for everybody because in order to explain about affiliate marketing, it can take a long time, but I'm going to do it in a quick manner. All right. So who am I? I am Tony Sees, a digital marketer and a meditation instructor here in Thailand. I've been doing affiliate marketing for the past 2.5 years, with the first 2 years that I failed so miserably. And just half a year ago, I switched to the high-ticket affiliate marketing. It is something that I am going to talk about at the end of this video, so please stay tuned, all right? So without further ado, I think I should jump into it. So what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing actually has been around for more than 2 decades. Actually, it was born at the very birth of the internet as well. And after that, after the social media boom and everything in 2005 and after, it is getting more and more popular because people were trying to find ways to make money online, all right, since then on. So it's a simple business model that you sell products of others or other companies, all right, that you are affiliated with and get paid a commission in return, all right? So in order to be an affiliate to some companies, you might have to pay a membership fee, or you might want to buy their product. But for some companies, it's just for free for you to sign up. So it's totally free, and there are a few examples that I'm going to give to you in today's presentation. All right. So it's like you are a connector, a middleman, an online middleman, okay, a modern day middleman or something like that, that you find the products, the good products, hopefully, that you can find out there in your niche, in your marketing, interest, all right? And you market it to people who are interested in your niche or your interest, right? And then you make a commission from there, okay? It's just simple. Alright, then nowadays the products are advertised on social media and other online channels. So you don't have to go meet your potential customers or your prospect in person anymore. And that way can save a lot of time and money for you. And it's more convenient, alright? You can do it via phone or your computer. As long as you have the Wi-Fi or the internet connection anywhere, you can work anywhere, alright? So it's very easy. And the advantages of affiliate marketing, all right? So the first one is that you don't need to have the inventory, okay? The inventory, sometimes it's very difficult for you because you have to have a large amount of money upfront to put into your investment so that you can have space online or offline as well. For example, if you want to do Amazon FBA or something like that, you have to rent a space, right, from Amazon in order to put your stuff in there. And once the customers order from you, then if Amazon can send the products to your customers. But we don't have that, guys. Why? Because I would like you guys to promote something that are digital, so that a lot of these things can be, a lot of problems like these can be gone. You don't have to create your own products, okay? In order to create your own product, it takes a lot of energy and time and knowledge. And for all of us who are new to affiliate marketing, I would advise you not to do that at the very beginning unless you have some experience or some knowledge and you are willing to learn about that. But at the very beginning, I would recommend you guys to first be an affiliate and you learn the rope, from everything, from the managing, from the product delivery and the the product updating and so on, the customer service as a whole, that you need to master this skill first before you jump into creating your own product. Me too, in the future, let's say 3 years from now, 5 years from now, I may want to create my own products, but for now I think being an affiliate and earn the commission, it's already best for me, right? Because I don't have to go through the hassle of all these things that I just mentioned at the very beginning of my marketing career, right? So the next one is, you don't need to do customer service, of course, because it can be very tricky, because I will take you as a beginner, right? So as a beginner, you don't even know, what to market, how to choose the best product, and if there is something going on with your product, let's say a problem coming up, a customer complaint and things like that, you will never be able to fix the problems for your customer, all right? But if you are an affiliate, all right, your companies or the owners who own the products that you are affiliated with, they will take care of the customer service for you. So after you sell it to your customers, you just don't have to care about that. Although if you want to, you can do that, all right? You can, suggest to them to go to talk to this. To most of the good affiliate companies, they have the support section where they have like people there always available for you guys, and you can maybe suggest your customers who bought from you to go take a look there if it's beyond your capability of helping, all right? But if it's something like small things, if you can always help, all right? But most of the time, if you sell the products to your customers, mostly the companies who are the creator of the product, they will take care of the customers for you, okay? Then after that, I would like to recommend you guys to promote only digital products, because it's an instant delivery, okay? Once they click the mouse, the mouse, okay, they buy the product from you and everything is finished. So they don't have to wait. You don't have to ship anything. You don't have to go to the post office sending anything to your customers. And your customer don't have to wait, all right? And also there is no physical damage involved in this at all, because it's digital. It comes in a form of training, a program, membership site or something like that, that they will get some kind of password for their own. They get the password and then they can enter the site and learn the stuff in there, okay? So it's more like an info product, okay? I will recommend you guys to do that, okay? So the business model chart, okay, how it looks like. So there is a company, okay? These companies can be something like the marketplaces like ClickBank. ClickBank's been around for a long time, okay? And Digistore24. So these kinds of companies are marketplaces where they store thousands, if not tens of thousands of products available in the world, all right? You just go in there and then take a look, you filter through the products there, or select only the good ones that you think it's worth promoting. It's good for your customer, and also it's also good for you. I already talked about how to pick the good products from the marketplace like this, okay? I will include that in the link below if you are interested in that, all right? So there are also individual companies that offer affiliate program for people who want to promote their own products. For example, ClickFunnels, which is the page builder that I am using, and I think it's the most popular compared to others. It's just my opinion, guys. Don't quote me on that, but I think it's very easy to use. It's very intuitive. Beginners like me at the very beginning, I got to understand it soon after I learned, a few hours or so. So it's not something that is difficult at all. So they try to help people to get into the meat and potatoes, which is the selling part, not the technical parts and so on. So actually they try to come up and compete with the WordPress, which is the site, software, okay, site building software and something like that. And ClickFunnels, they just want to compete with WordPress just for that. So, okay. So the next thing is GetResponse. GetResponse is like the email autoresponder company that helps marketers who are promoting online products or even offline products as well, follow up with their customers, because most people, they don't buy right from day one. Okay, you have to follow up with them using emails, okay, series or email sequence, and probably at the end they will buy. These companies, they offer affiliate programs for people who want to promote their products, and in order to promote these products, you might have to pay, okay, in order to become the member. For example, ClickFunnels, you have to use ClickFunnels in order to promote, but for GetResponse, you can promote without being a member. So it depends. You have to take a look at the policy of that company. All right, so you can always choose, ClickBank or Digistore24. That's a new one that just came out less than 2 years. So far, I think it's from Germany, and it's been very good. I've heard only the good things from Digistore24, right? So you might want to go there and take a look, okay? Then there is you, who are the middleman, taking the products from these companies and then promote it to your prospects or your potential customers through your social platforms. For example, you might have your Facebook group, you might want to have your Facebook page, or even your Facebook profile. You can actually market through that as well. I am also having that. Some of you who have been following me for quite some time, you might know that I have optimized everything about my Facebook profile or my personal Facebook. You just take a look at my Facebook. You just also can model that as well. In the future videos, I will also talk about how I do that, so that you can get to understand how you can also do that. Okay, so there is Facebook and also YouTube and TikTok, which is very popular at this moment, and a lot of people jump in there because the algorithm and everything still favors new people. Who knows, 2-3 years from now, it's going to be like YouTube, which it grows quite slowly compared to the newer application like TikTok, like nowadays. So a lot of people, they try to jump in there and try to take advantage of the newness, if that's a word, of TikTok at the moment. So you might want to explore TikTok as well if you are new, all right? And there also are some other social platforms that you might want to take a look at, that, for example, Instagram or LinkedIn, that I think it has not been tapped that much. So you might want to explore that, okay? All right, so the next thing is that after that, okay, you will hopefully make sales and sell that products to your customers. Okay, so you can see that the business model is very, very simple. So it's like you are a salesman, except that you are an online salesman. All right, so you just take the commission, and the commission from these companies are different. You might want to take a look at the policy of the companies and see if that fits you. For some people, they might want to have the recurring income. For example, ClickFunnels offer that. As long as your customers stay a ClickFunnels customer, they will pay to you, okay? But for some people, they might want to have only one-time fee and that's it, and they just want to run away, okay? So there is no right or wrong about this one. It's just that which one actually fits you, okay? Alright guys, if you think that this kind of video is very interesting and very useful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you don't want to miss this kind of video in the future, please subscribe to my channel. So last but not least, if you are interested in promoting the high-ticket affiliate program that I am promoting, please check the first link below. I already included the free 4-day training for you guys, so that you can have the in-depth idea about affiliate marketing, and hopefully you can come out promoting whatever product you want to promote advantageous right off the gate. So thank you very much for your attention for today. It's Tony C signing off for now.